Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the clubhouse. You can swim now. Ay, give me your ano. Play ka muna pala. You say hi to the camera first.
Hi. Guys, sige niya siya. Gusto siya to swimming doon.
And we got the speaker Today I don't feel like doing anything.
Let's dip your head underwater.
No! I don't want. Why? It will stop making me stop breathing.
Siyempre, you will not breathe underwater kasi. Silly. Hold, do you trust ate? We'll just hold you, okay? Look, Ate Beyonce and Ate Vanessa here, oh.
Dip my head in the
Oh,
water.
no.
Don't breathe kasi if you're
Don't
underwater.
breathe.
Don't breathe.
Oh, alika. Hold ka lang kay ate. Hold ka lang kay ate. Dali na, it's fun.
I don't wanna dip my head underwater.
Oh, the three of us. Don't breathe. Don't breathe, ha? Don't abot mo na talaga. Sige, baba ka. Abot mo na. You can touch it. Yung see? Ubi, how can you swim properly? Dito ka lang.
How do I float like you?
No, you promise I will not dip you. Oh, Pinky promise. Pinky promise I will not dip you in the water. Oh, come here, I will carry you.
Where to breathe?
I will not carry you. Dali. Come here.
Like this.
Oh, you sit down lang. No, not like that. Like this lang. Yan. I will not dip you. Honey.
Right. Right. Or I might fall.
You will not fall.
But I can't hold anymore.
Hold.
No.
Wow, you're floating!
Let's try.
You're floating, see?
Stop shouting on the other people are looking at each other. And I saw the metal bar.
The metal bar. Wiggle your toes. Yeah, like this, oh. But like this kasi. Yan, oh. See? Oh. Yeah, you're doing it. See? Oh. Wow. Oh, diba? You're doing so good. Just keep doing it. You're floating na, oh.
Like also this.
Yeah. See? Galing nga. Trust Ate Beyonce. Yay! See? Hold there, hold there. Ay. See, you're doing it. How about you carry me? Carry me.
No, please.
Carry ate lang. Uy! Sili ate. Carry me. Hindi maintindihan ko tumatawa. I'm crying. You're carrying me na. Okay, oh, you grab the metal bar na you're safe. Dali, push ate ba nang kapatulak ka dali. Ate Vanessa, dali. Push ate, push. Push ate Vanessa. Oh, don't run.
No running.
There pa, ate will catch you kasi maano ko dito eh. Go there pa. Ate will catch you there. Beyonce, abangan mo ah. You want to hold the camera while you jump? Sure. Like this one, like this. 1, 2, 3, jump! Jump! Talaga jump! As in jump talaga. 1, 2, 3, go jump! Like this oh. Buelo ka, buelo. Huh? Like ano, you literally jump like this and then onto the pool. Okay? Like this oh. Go! Come on! Oh, you're safe! Go! Run! Run, comrade! Run! Scream, everybody! Scream!
Ballerina, 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 ballerina.
Ba? Ano ka swimming? First swimming, second. Second swimming. Wow! Ooh. Do you like it? Go lower. Ooh. Wow. Do you like it? Wag na yung ano niya. Jesus. Yay! Yay! Isa-sala nilalaro niya. Nag-smurf pa siya eh. Oh. Daddy na. Swimming na. Ayaw mo na mag-swimming. Minsan lang mo pauwi na kayo. Daddy, tignan mo daw siya. Kanina umiiyak pa kasi siya.
Bakit?
Ayaw niyang magbasa yung ulo niya.
Ano?
Guys, should we go now? Just like, or just keep on swimming? Why is it so slimy? What's this? This is ours, not yours. Yeah, I know. Diving mode. Nag-dive daw siya.
Malinaw siguro sa kanya, no? Malinaw, no?
Hindi, nag-vlog na kasi hinihingahan niya.
Wow, swimming, oh, wow, wow. Swimming siya, wow, wow. Wow.
At Vanessa, can you go? Oh, can you go
balik.
underwater?
Akin na.
Ba't dinala niya si ano?
Rebecca Rabbit.
Si Rebecca, tapos dinala niya.
Squeak! Squeak!
Oh, yung mukha niya!
Hindi ko na naisip na.
Squeak! Squeak!
Look at the sky, look at the resemble. Daddy, look at me.
Yes.
Guys, I'm gonna put it
Wow.
there, okay? Wait, come on, let's go. Buhat kami ni ate. Come near. Come near. Okay, we're here.